Hey guys, so if you have a Whirlpool dishwasher and you have the code E2-F2 and you're looking for how to possibly fix that, I was looking literally everywhere on how it's possible to fix the issue with the Whirlpool dishwasher. And what I found out is that the only solution right now is to just like completely plug it off, turn off the circuit breaker, and wait to like let's say 5 to 7 minutes and turn it back on. Because when I looked here even on Reddit, I like to just always look for the ways to fix the issue, because the problem with it is that this is indicates an issue with the electronic control or a communication error between the control board and the user interface. So yeah, I couldn't find any solution, and I was looking and looking on how it's possible to actually fix it, and the only right now is just like completely turn it off. And one thing that also what you can try to do is that maybe you can just like replace the control board or use interface control board. That's something that you can also try to do, and maybe it would like fix the issue for you if you would like try it out. But even from the Whirlpool themselves, it seems that even they don't know. So I just hope this video gave you at least a little bit of value. So have a great day and goodbye.